Urgent weather message. National Weather Service Huntsville AL. 2:34 p.m. CST Sunday, February 26, 2023. Lauderdale-Colbert-Franklin, AL-Lawrence-Limestone-Madison-Morgan, Marshall-Jackson, DeKalb, Cullman, Moore, Lincoln, Franklin, TN, including the cities of Florence, Muscle Shoals, Sheffield, Tuscumbia, Russellville, Red Bay, Moulton, Town Creek, Athens, Huntsville, Decatur, Albertville, Boaz, Guntersville, Arab, Scottsboro, Fort Payne, Rainsville, Cullman, Lynchburg, Fayetteville, Winchester, Sewanee, Decherd, Estill Springs, and Cowan. 2:34 p.m. CST Sunday, February 26, 2023. Wind advisory remains in effect from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. CST Monday. Watt. Southwest winds 20 to 30 miles per hour with gusts of 40 to 50 miles per hour expected, where portions of north central, northeast and northwest, Alabama and southern middle Tennessee, when, from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. CST Monday. Impacts. Gusty winds could blow around unsecured objects, tree limbs could be blown down and a few power outages may result. Precautionary preparedness actions. Use extra caution when driving, especially if operating a high-profile vehicle. Secure outdoor objects, and